Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to teach you a very powerful direction to stop witches and demons from monitoring and manipulating you. So, family, if you want to be such that when they mention your name on satanic and demonic altars, you will not appear. When even witches mention your name over at their altars, you will not come there or you will not appear. Try and get the Ocimum gratissimum leaves. The Ocimum gratissimum is what we commonly call the scent leaves. In Ghana, it is called the Nunum. So that is what you see on the screen. For you to do this particular direction to be invisible, all that you are supposed to do is that you get a handful of these fresh leaves, and then also you are also supposed to get 7 alligator pepper pods. So alligator pepper is what you see on the screen. Alligator pepper is called femwisa in Ghana. So all that you are supposed to do is that you now get 7 pods of the alligator pepper, and then also you are going to get small sea salt, and you are also supposed to get small charcoal. So after getting these items, all that you are supposed to do is that you get a bathing bucket. So please kindly try and buy a new bucket for this particular direction. So after getting the bucket, you now squeeze the scent leaf or the Ocimum gratissimum leaves into the water, and now you add your sea salt and then the 7 pods of alligator pepper. Please, the alligator pepper, you are not going to open the pot. You are just going to add the pods just like that, and then you are going to soak it in the morning and use it for evening bath. So we are going to start the bath on the day you were born. So you are going to soak it in the morning, and then in the evening around 11 p.m. on the day you were born. So if you were born on a Friday, you bath it on the Friday 11 p.m. If you were born on Monday, you bath it on Monday 11 p.m. So that is when we are going to start the bath. You are going to do it for 3 days or 7 days. But please, it depends on the severity of your problem. If you think that the problem is very severe, such that all the time cobwebs are meeting you, whenever you are thinking about a plan, all of a sudden you see that cobweb is crossing you, meaning that witches are always monitoring your movement, monitoring whatever you are thinking, and then they are controlling you and manipulating you. Try and stop them with this particular direction. So as I said, you are just going to bath it for 3 nights or 7 nights. With this direction, you are just going to be free from all those satanic and witchcraft attacks. Please, if you are a Christian, when we are going to bath this water, try and recite Psalm 35 on it. Psalm 35 states that, "Contend, O Lord, with all those who contend with me." So God is going to fight all those satanic and evil people who are always fighting you. And then we are also going to recite Psalm 91 on it. So the Psalm 91 is for protection. So you recite it once, and then you also recite the Psalm 35 once on the water. And then you see that all those satanic and witchcraft manipulation will always not come near you. Those bad dreams, those cobwebs, all those things, that shows that evil spirits are monitoring you. Satan is always calling you, or Satan is using his agents who are demons, who are witches, to always torment your life. All those things are going to stop. So there is something that you can be doing from time to time. If maybe once a while you think that you need some protection, you do it. Whenever you are going to travel to do something, you do it. This also brings you favor, because you see that the scent leaf has a very nice smelling aroma. So when you do it, it is going to attract favor to you too. So please kindly ensure that you do this particular direction, and then you bring your testimony. So this is a very simple but very, very powerful direction that I've decided to share on this channel. So please kindly ensure that you like the video. And then if you also have any question, you ask in the comment section. You subscribe to the channel, and then you also share for your friends and family to also benefit from this particular direction. Thank you very much. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.